morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. Yesterday we started the chapter linkers or conjunctions. I hope you must have understood all the connectors that we did yesterday. Today we have to discuss some exercises. I forgot to tell you to do these, but you can do these side by side with me. And tomorrow you will get a grammar exercise. Not only based not only of connectors but other topics also. See, what do we have to do here? Actually, here we have some compound connectors. Compound connectors means the conjunctions which have more than one word. And out of those, some words have been written here. All the words which have been written here, they are not complete connectors. Some of them are, but not all of them. And here also some incomplete compound connectors have been used. You will have to complete them according to their uses. See, the circular was distributed that the students might know the vacation schedule. Yesterday we discussed the meaning of that. Key. So, but here what do we need? Key, circular was distributed. The students might know the vacation schedule. ताकि कि उनको सर्कुलर दिया गया ताकि उनको वेकेशन शेड्यूल का पता चले. So here we need a connector which means ताकि, and for that we have so that. It means distributed so that. This will be the answer. Next, do not lie even the world is against you. Only even is not a conjunction. We have even though, even if. These are the conjunctions. Even if means this is a stronger version of if. कि चाहे पूरा वर्ल्ड तुम्हारे अगेंस्ट हो जाए, झूठ नहीं बोलना. So we need to put if here. Do not lie even if the world is against you. Third, he saved a rupee daily so dash he could have something in time of need. I'm sure you must have got the answer of this yourself because this is related to first only. Here also we need ताकि वो अपनी ज़रूरत में उसको यूज़ कर सके. So that. Fourth, Smriti stood if she were a statue. So जैसे कि वो स्टैचू हो, as if. Smriti stood as if she were a statue. Fifth, the student stood up as the teacher arrived in the class. We mean to say कि जैसे ही टीचर आई बच्चे खड़े हो गए. तो for जैसे ही we have the connector as soon as. The student stood up as soon as the teacher arrived in the class. Sixth, the president as the prime minister was present in the function. Actually, we have the designation of two great persons here. So we need and, or there is one more connector which can replace and, that is as well as. So the president as well as the prime minister was present in the function. 7. You will get this job on that you shall work 7 days a week. So on condition that. 8. There is no harm in apologizing to the elders if you are not at fault. कि even if कि अगर fault गलती तुम्हारी नहीं है, then also you can apologize, you can feel sorry to the elders even if you are not at fault. We will do next page also like this only. This first exercise is an exercise of omission. Next exercise is an exercise of editing error. But everywhere the things are related to connectors only. See, we know BAMLs and students how to do editing and omission exercises. For that, we should first read complete paragraph and then focus on sentences. We know mammals took over as dinosaurs died out. Have you ever wondered why this happened? So this is looking incomplete. We know mammals. Something is missing here. हमें मालूम है कि. So what is the connector for कि? That. We know that mammals took over as dinosaurs died out. Have you ever wondered? Here, before have, after comma, but. But have you ever wondered why this happened? Well, one reason is that in this line, there is no omission. Mammals are warm-blooded creatures. जिसका मतलब है, which means, which will come before means. Which means that their bodies have a constant temperature, no omission. This is important, and it means, because this is in continuation of the importance. This is important, and it means that mammals are ready for action at all times in all weathers, no omission. And here, in the beginning we need something, and we need something which can show contrast. Ki jabki, while cold-blooded, because the whole sentence is showing difference between warm-blooded and cold-blooded animals. While cold-blooded animals needed to soak heat from the sun so that they could move about, ताकि वो बाहर जा सके. Now, second. Fruit or vegetables, it should be fruit and vegetables, because we are talking about both. Fruit and vegetables contain natural chemicals. Who are necessary? Who and which? What is the difference? Who is used for human beings and which is used for things, non-living things, and animals and birds. So here we are talking about chemicals, not human beings. So who doesn't go here? Chemicals which are necessary for good health. Such substances have attracted either popular and scientific attention. This can be corrected in two ways. Like in the beginning, we can think of two things, either or and both and. Now we will decide which is better. Both and is better because we are talking about both, not one. So the sentence should read like this. Such substances have attracted both popular and scientific attention to the health benefits these provide. These substances, flavonoids, may not be essential nutrients, and is wrong here. It should be but, because we are talking about contrast, but appear to provide health benefits, and therein lies. Not but, and therein lies their importance. Fine. So you must have understood this. Tomorrow you will get one grammar exercise. Thank you.